The house is only having one kitchen, so dry and wet together lah. Come with a layout of 2 rows and 1 breakfast counter. The breakfast counter actually very narrow because we have the overall pathway to walk around lah. Design wise, material for worktop is Tasha Venato, which is a marble vein, a very strong character vein. It brings out the modern of the classicness. At the same time, the doors and panels are Katrina profile, which is modern classic, and bring back the classic to suit back the existing living plaster ceiling design. The overall effect came out very subtle design, very soothing, just like the client mood lah. They wanted something simple yet aesthetic. Then we create the hidden door feature that lead the path to laundry area. This will make the whole kitchen look in one language. Client saw the advertisement on Instagram and then he approached me back to do something about it on the wall lah. We create very modern, simple design of the TV cabinet, yet little bit fluted panel and bring back the marble vein from the kitchen top. This makes the room look clean and modern, and we introduce the brand to client. Client accept the material, the variation of fabric lah. And then our curtain specialist also have a good service of it. Client is happy about it. Then they take the whole package with us, from built-ins to soft furnish. Basically, they're taking bagus curtain, sheer and blind as well. For all the small window, they're taking wooden blinds and curtain and sheer. For example, like the dining, they do have double volume. They taking it motorized lah. We also can do motorized curtain. The master bedroom is located at the first floor lah. Then the layout is actually a little bit huge for just a bed, and if you just putting a wardrobe in, it will be a bit unpleasant to see. That's why we create another subspace, which again the hidden door towards the walk-in wardrobe. Building up the subspace from the master bedroom is creating 3 points. First, the aircon circulation, more concentrated during their sleeping time. Secondly, no messy clothes outside. And third is near to the bathroom, aesthetically wise also. After we creating the space, client love the piece we created, and until now they still take time to shop, to buy all the loose furniture as you can see, and also the decor from where they travel to slowly make the house more complete.